How to fix alarm no sound on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on Sound and Vibration. After click on Sound and Vibration, so you will see if you want to fix this problem, so turn off silent mode. After turn off silent mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to again app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end. Click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search clock app from here. After click on clock app and click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update and click on this first option, software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix alarm no sound on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.